Assalamu alaikum and warm greetings. I hope you are doing well and enjoying your work wherever you are. I am Professor Jalal-ud-Din, Head of Cardiology Department at Bolan Medical College and CEO JHMC. It's truly an honor and a pleasure to invite you all to the 54th Annual Cardiology Conference, Cardiocon 2025, which is the biggest cardiology event in Pakistan, taking place this year from 21st to 23rd November at Serena Hotel, Quetta. As the convener of this landmark event, I warmly welcome you to Quetta, a city known for its rich culture, hospitality, and now its proud moment of hosting this grand academic gathering. We have prepared a rich and relevant scientific program featuring top national and international faculty, thought-provoking discussions and sessions that truly matter in our day-to-day cardiology practice. So mark your calendars, let's learn, connect, and grow together. See you all in Quetta at Cardiocon 2025, inshallah. Thank you.